In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from BullX Neo to Phantom Wallet. So it's actually quite simple, and the first thing you need is a BullX Neo account. So in case you don't have a BullX account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can check that out and sign up via my link, and you will save 10% on all your fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you have a BullX Neo account, what you want to do is over here on the left hand side, you want to go to Wallet Manager. So just hover over the left hand and click Wallet Manager. From here, inside Withdraw Wallets, we're going to add a wallet. But the first thing that's important is that you have Solana wallets selected over here. So if you're trading Solana, make sure you're not on Tron, but you are on Solana. So click over here, and then you want to add a wallet where it says Withdraw Wallets. So just click Add Wallet. Select Solana and give it a name. So what we're going to do over here is name it Phantom Wallet. There we go. And then where it says enter wallet address, you can enter in your wallet address from Phantom. And the way you do this is actually you can just run up the Phantom extension on your computer if you have it on your Chrome, or you can just use the Phantom app to get your address there, or of course their website or this extension, as I said. So you can use it anywhere basically that you can access Phantom. Now I'm going to open it over here, and from here what you have to do is tap on the receive over here just on your home page, and then where it says Solana you want to copy the address. So click on this copy button over here, and then you can close this down, and you can then add this wallet in here. So as we said, we're going to name it, let's say Phantom Wallet. There we go. And then enter wallet address. You want to paste that in and click Add Wallet. And just like that, your Phantom Wallet has been added. As you can see, it's now verified and it's in here, and this will now serve as your withdraw wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.